Brittany from Gray Designs, and I'm going to show you today how to make a DIY bunny Easter cake that's totally adorable and totally easy using just a couple things you get at your local grocery store and on Shindigz.com. So here we go. Okay, let's talk about what supplies you're gonna need for this project. The first, of course, is gonna be a cake. You could, of course, make your own. I picked this one up at my local small cakes franchise. It's just a white 6-inch cake frosted with buttercream frosting and just a little piping at the bottom. We wanted it smooth and pretty. Then a couple of things you're gonna need from Shindigz.com. The first one is gonna be this garland of roses. We're gonna use the pink ones on here in just a second. Then the second is gonna be these wearable Easter bunny ears. These are gonna go in the top of our cake. Then I picked up a couple of things at my local grocery store in the Easter aisle. The first is gonna be this edible Easter grass. It's just really small shreds of edible wafers. And then chocolate malted milk balls. You could also use Cadbury eggs, the small ones, the milk chocolate ones, not the filled ones. Then lastly, don't laugh, fake eyelashes, which you can get at the drugstore or the grocery store. So if you guys are ready, let's go ahead and start. Here's step one. So I've taken the edible Easter grass and I just sprinkled it lightly around the bottom of the cake, just where the piping is. We just want to have a little light touch of the Easter grass at the bottom. Now whatever you have left, I recommend putting a piece of parchment underneath, and then you can just kind of tap the cake like that, and then the excess grass will come off and fall down onto the parchment. You just throw it away so it's not so big of a mess. All right, on to step two. Okay, step two is the eyelashes. So I've just taken the false eyelashes, which are already a little bit sticky, and then stuck them right into the icing where the eyes of the bunny should go. She's cute, right? All right, step three is our bunny's nose. So that's where the malted milk balls come in. So I've taken one of those malted milk balls, the pink one of course, and put it right here where her nose should be. Okay, so our next step is gonna be the bunny ears. So I've taken these bunny ears we have from Shindigz, and I've actually cut them to about here. So here's another pair that I've taken apart already. And I cut the legs off here, and then I took a lot of that fur off with my scissors. And the reason is we don't want that furry stuff, which sheds a lot, down into our edible cake. So you can take care of that with just a little pair of scissors. Okay, so once you've got the bunny ears cut and the fur taken off of the bottom, then you're gonna stick them right in the top of the cake. And I like mine to have a little bit of a cute little turned over ear. And then we're gonna do one more step and you're all done. Next, you're gonna need those floral garlands from Shindigz. Remember we had the pink and red flowers. And what I've done is I've taken these and cut the pink ones off just with a pair of craft scissors. So now I have all these cute little pink flowers to stick into the top of the bunny's head. All right, you're on your last step. So all you do is take those little pink roses, I did 5 of them, stick them right in the top of your bunny cake. Now you've got an adorable little bunny cake wearing a floral crown, and she's all ready for your Easter party. If you want to see more of my Easter party, you can visit Shindigz.com and their Party Ideas blog. Have a great Easter.